Barn swallows are some of Rondeau's most commonly seen birds. These small birds are about 7 inches tall. They have a bluish-black back and a cinnamon forehead and throat. They are also the only swallow with a truly forked swallowtail. You can often find barn swallows in open land, farms, fields, and especially perched on telephone wires. A barn swallow nest is a cup-like shape, usually found inside barns, under eaves, or on the sides of buildings. The eggs hatch after about 2 weeks. From there, the parents feed the babies by catching food such as insects in mid-flight. Unfortunately, even though they are seen relatively often, barn swallows are classified as a threatened species on the Species at Risk Act. This means that barn swallows and their nests are therefore protected by law. Luckily, there are some things that you can do to help the barn swallow populations. You could build a nesting box on your property, or even use citizen science apps such as iNaturalist to report your sightings. I hope that the next time you see these beautiful birds swooping around you, you appreciate the work that they do for our ecosystem and help to protect them.